Okay, you guys, so right now I'm gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna probably get a couple things or check out a couple stuff. But yeah, guys, look at my outfit. Summertime, and I slicked my hair down. I look cute, period. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna get, so stay tuned. Guys, Florida weather is so bipolar. Like, you know what? Let me not say anything. But the weather is amazing right now, and I am taking advantage of it. So yeah. Okay, you guys. So I'm basically here at the mall, and I don't know which store I'm gonna go in first. Maybe Macys. I don't know, but I'll let you guys know. Okay, you guys, so I'm here in the mall and I'm gonna show you guys what they have. So yeah, so I'm in Macy's right now, and all the lipsticks in MAC is like $23 for a lipstick each, like $23 each. And it's like, I don't know, I kind of need lip glosses, lipsticks. Like in the past I forgot which certain brand it was, but I don't know what I should get, but I'm gonna show you this. And they're like $23. And then you have the liquid lipsticks. I don't know, guys. I think I'm just gonna check online on Amazon and maybe see what they have. So I don't know. Stay tuned. So It Cosmetics, I've never tried, but on display I watched her on YouTube, and it's like the product is $47. Like, why does Sephora, Ulta, and Ulta Beauty, like, all of the foundations are like $47 or more? Like, even for one beauty blender, like, I don't know. So you guys, I went to the store called Beya, which is like a low price store that sells like purses, watches, jewelry, accessories, anything like you could think of. And yeah, I got me a couple things, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I just kind of got jewelry and like headbands, like for your hair. It only was like $1, and I think the jewelry was like what, maybe like $2. Some of them were for like $7 each, so I don't know. I like them, so right now I'm just gonna go to Macy's and the other entrance and see what they have. So okay, you guys, so I'm here in Macy's, and they have like really cute purses behind me. I don't know, I feel like I kind of want a bag, like a little mini purse, because sometimes I really don't like to wear like a dangly purse. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna get a couple things in here. So yeah, so these are the purses right here. The Juicy Couture one is really, really cute. These are so pretty. I also have some over here. These are so cute. And by the way, these are Macy's Backstage. So a lot of these are like $39 or under, depending on what you get. You guys, these are so cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm in Macy's Backstage, and I just seen this Juicy Couture necklace and bracelet. They also have nail polishes under here by Paris Hilton and other brands. So I think I might try it out and do like a little mini pedicure. They have like even press-ons. These are so cute. So I don't know, we'll see. So you guys, out of nowhere I got my period and I feel weird. Like, I was like, why is my stomach hurting? And then I was like, next thing you know, I'm like, I have to use the bathroom. So that probably explains why earlier my stomach was upset. But yeah, I didn't know that it was gonna come, and now I'm at the mall, and probably it like bled through, so I don't know. Like, oh no. Like, I can't really show you guys. Oh no. So you guys, right now I'm heading home. I actually brought a jacket. That way it could cover me. Yeah, I'm so embarrassed. But it happens. I'm a female, so yeah. You guys, I'm trying to do a little unsvlog. I thought I would just record for a little bit. So hot. Guys, I need to hurry up and go home.